Oh my god, I'm so happy. This is the best day of my life.
Me too. Thanks for coming with me.
Thank you for inviting me.
Hi guys. Sunny day today.
Animals.
Wednesday.
Woo.
Oh, where?
The
right here?
No, there's a sign. This is the animals over there.
This one. This is my favorite animal.
Oh,
right
the cow jumper.
Okay, I'm at a farm with Sam. Okay. We're gonna go look for. Should we look for the tulips? They said that they don't have any right now, but you know, we'll just walk. Yeah, maybe they're lying. You know, I hope they are. I wanted to buy tulips today. Okay, so outfit of the day.
Hot.
Stop. This is my hat. I guess I can make this easier for myself and like put my selfie stick on. I'm gonna do that.
Oh yeah, I have one.
What is that?
It's you, the sugar baby.
Oh,
My pumpkin.
I hate this. I hate it here. Oh my god. Okay, so
Oh my god.
there's the billy goat. So cute. They're just walking up the thing, dude. Let's go look. This is so
The
cool.
ramps.
Dude, I should make one of those for Gummy. That would be
God, you
so
probably
cool.
love it.
In Minecraft, we collect the horns. The horns, and you like blow on them and they make noises.
How cute. Is that what we're gonna do? Is that what
We're gonna do that right now. We're gonna harvest these
We're
horns.
gonna Minecraft.
Yeah, but to get them to do that, you have to like make them ram into something really hard to break it off. So you gotta like piss them off. Hey baby. You're so cute. Can we be friends? Oh my god, that guy has balls on his face. Do you see it?
I do. What the fuck is this?
What is that?
Does the other one have it?
I don't know. It's so funny because we're cursing a lot, but like we're in a family friendly farm. Okay. Outfit check. Wait, can I fix this lighting? Oh hey. This is my best friend. Hi Sam.
Hi.
We've known each other since high school.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, get in.
Oh, we're going.
No.
Really?
Wait, what?
No,
No, I'm not sure we're allowed to.
I don't think so.
No, you're supposed to take a go.
Oh yeah, you're right. I gotta do that. I'm trying to show you guys my outfit, but this lighting is so ass. I guess this works.
Do you want me to like record it?
I don't know. Maybe?
Alright, take two because I'm a terrible camera person. Yeah.
This is my thing.
Yeah.
I used to shop at Shein. I don't do that anymore.
Boo, fast fashion.
Fuck, fast fashion. Here's what's it called? What is that? Is that an ostrich?
An emu?
Is that an emu?
I think.
Oh my god. It's an emu.
Australian water bird.
Denko, is that you?
Australia.
Denko the Aussie.
Is that what it looks like?
Denko, do you look like emu? I'll ask him after. Oh my god, hey. Oh my god, hey.
Oh, you see something?
Toe picks? Toe picks or no? Oh my god, hey. Dude, I want to feel that on my back. Oh god. I'm just kidding.
The nails.
No. Oh my god, you're
They
right.
communicate with each other by dance.
Beachan, is this true? What is this? I don't know. The honeybee colony.
Oh, they're calling me?
Oh, maybe.
Maybe if I dance, they'll dance. You like this?
Oh my god, them walking up the ramps is making me feel so alive.
I know. They're probably so happy getting to.
They smell bad though. How cute. I like the color in this one. It looks like coffee.
It does. Aww. Little tiny little baby. Oh, damn, he's scratching himself on the car.
He's like, itchy.
You see that?
He said, I'm itchy.
Ooh.
Hi. Hi, Doja. Is that your name? You're so
They're
cool.
pregnant for 283 days.
That's like almost a like
My friend and I don't
1/3 of a year, or 2/3 of a year.
Wow, you're so beautiful. I want to touch your soft
Oh my god, it's a hairy cow.
You're so cute.
I love her.
I love you so much.
Sam gave up eating meat because of how cute
I
cows
get
are.
so excited whenever I see cows, like when we drive up north and we pass by the farms and shit.
Yeah.
I go fucking nuts. Fire.
Oh no. I wasn't recording the whole time. That's crazy.
Damn it.
They're in love, guys. They did the doodly doo. That's kind of wild.
They did.
So we're at a bird cage right now with partridges and finches. I don't know what that is, but that guy looks so fabulous right now. I want to be like you when I grow up. They're called this is an aviary. They have quails,
It's a
doves.
pheasant that you were looking at.
A pheasant? Don't call them that. They have feelings.
Oh, they're birds. They're digging in the corner.
Hey. Oh my god, hey. If you a bird, then I'm a bird. Oh my god! Oh my god, they're so big!
He's resting on his fat neck.
Oh my god,
black one.
same.
So beautiful.
They're so pretty. I love them.
Look how he flopped over and is laying next to his friend.
That's so cute. That's you and me for real. It's the glizzy gobbler.
You're trying to make him talk.
Oh my god, hey. I saw you on Thanksgiving.
You look really different back then.
you look really different.
Did you gain weight?
Oh, you got a haircut. It's like,
It looks so soft. I just want to touch him. They'll bite my fingers off.
oh my god, hey.
Dude, it's the mayor from Chicken Little. Oh my god, I loved you in that movie.
You did so well. Like, you slayed that role, buddy.
Stop saying that.
Sorry. Alpacas. Hey, friends.
Oh my god, they're pregnant for 345.
It's so cute. Imagine being pregnant for more than a year.
Imagine being pregnant.
Imagine being pregnant.
Oh my god, no.
Oh my god. Hi! Donkey! I saw you in Shrek. How'd you make a baby dragon with the dragon? You know?
Donkey food.
Do you have a quarter?
Ah, fuck. I don't think I do.
Here, hold this. Let me see if I have one. Close-up shot of this beauty right here.
You're smart. You're chilling right next to the...
Damn! Oh my god, yes. Oh, dude, yeah, let's do it.
This guy's smart. He's like chilling right next to it.
You stole it out of your hand.
He's waiting.
You want it or no? Hold on.
How do you even give it to him? Do you like...
Right there.
Oh! Oh my god, he's waiting. He
Here,
knows.
Sam.
Huh?
I have one too.
Oh, really?
Hell yeah.
Wow.
Okay, a sugar mama. Talking about no sugar baby. I'm a sugar mama today. I got you, baby boy. Here. Yeah. Oh my god, he's so cute. You in that bitch. Oh.
Eat. Fucking that shit up.
Oh, that's a
Oh.
lot.
Yeah.
It's probably left over from some of the ones that spilled. No.
Oh, I just turned it really slow.
Oh, you smart. It's okay. I'll watch. Because I gave a little bit.
Yay! Oh my god, I'm so happy. This is the best day of my life.
Me too. Thanks for coming with me.
Thank you for inviting me. This is fucking incredible. Do I want to be a vet?
Hey,
The
they're just
incredible
like
Dr. Pole?
they're just like nurses, but for animals. You know?
I'm gonna be Doc
Dog mixed up. Is Sean the sheep? Is Sean the sheep? Is Sean the sheep? Oh, hey, baby girl. Sure. Okay.
Here you go. He's ready. He's ready. Boom. Hey, let your friend have some. You're so greedy.
Here you go.
What a dick. Look, he's waiting.
You hogging the treats. Here, that's for you.
Woo.
Timing.
Let me see if I have to turn it more.
Bonk.
Yay! Oh my god, you're so cute.
His cankles.
Oh, yeah.
He's hurt. I'm sorry, donkey. Dude, lose chicken.
What?
Chicken.
What the fuck?
What doing? Oh my god, hey.
Yeah, look at him flaunt those nuggets.
Those nuggets. Them nuggets. Just me and the birds. If you're a bird, got a little girlfriend going on over there. Oh my god, you can't zoom in.
Alert right now. Get the fuck back.
Okay. I will. He's just digging, dude. Whoa! He's doing a little stompy stomp, like.
The chicken got the feather.
He did. You gonna pick it up?
Oh, yeah.
It might have salmonella. She's like, I don't care.
Salmonella.
Huh?
Poor salmonella.
Hey, baby. I don't have any more quarters. So sad. Hi.
I might. Oh, maybe I should check.
I wanna keep you. Can I keep you?
See those little feet. They're so cute.
He like totally turned away. He was like, only if you feed me. You know what, girl? I'll get you. Oh my god, that one's head is so freaking cute.
It looks like a bobblehead.
Hey. The bobblehead. I think it's because her neck is shaved or something.
Oh shit, I dropped one.
You dropped the quarter.
Yeah, you're smart.
And your time to shine. Yeah, she's getting ready. She's like, give me that. Give me the good. Here you go. Dude, there's so much on the floor, bro. Go eat it. Oh, your eyes are covered. You can see. I don't see no snacks.
You guys fed the cow yet?
No, we can feed the
you
cow.
can feed the cow, yeah, and she's so cute. Sassy is her name, and she totally knows her name.
Sassy.
Yeah.
You wanna go say hi to Sassy?
Yeah, yeah. So if you can actually see her from here, she's brown. So look past that barnyard. There's a lady with blonde hair.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
she's right there.
Okay, thank you. We'll go visit Sassy again. Sassy. What a cute name.
A farm
Yeah.
that has a bunch of cows,
Uh-huh.
and you can go and they like hang out with them. They're like therapy cows. And you can go hug them,
What?
and they'll like lay down and like put their head on your shoulders.
Can we go?
Yeah.
Okay.
She knows.
Sassy. Sassy. We learned your name today. Hi, Sassy.
Aw. Your head is so
You're so adorable. Like, I just want to be friends with you. We give you snacks. That's why you were sniffing that. You were trying to tell us to give you snacks.
Yeah, we didn't even know that you could like give snacks.
Yeah.
Do you want some?
No, you do it. Sassy.
Oh, you're so cute. So much.
I love her too. Can we go visit some therapy cows? I need one of them.
I saw it in like a Try Guide video.
Oh, slay.
Yeah.
It should be around
It looked
close
so,
to us, right?
Yeah. It looked
Let's go
so
though.
relaxing.
Do you want to go to the chicken coop? Yes. The chicken coop. I feel like I'm in fucking, Kiki's delivery service or Howl's Moving Castle with this hound.
You fly away.
Dude, it's about to. It's threatening me right now. I'm glad I brought it. I almost didn't. But this is
It's
like...
cute. It's a look. It's like,
Thanks. You're making me blush.
pygmy goats.
Pick me?
Pick me?
Oh, pygmy.
No, pygmy.
I was like, what would you call a goat? Pygmy. Poor thing. Hey. Nice ass. I feel so bad. I'm catcalling a chicken. Alright. Oh my god, look at the goat.
Looking over his kingdom right now.
He said everything the sun touches is our kingdom. Oh my god, hey.
There's a little Sia right here.
Little baby Sia. Dude, this makes me not want to eat them. I'm sad.
This is why I don't eat them, because they're so cute. The way they move is so fucking funny. It's like that, like, meme of that guy who, like, has the bob wig and just goes like this. It's like that.
He's so cute. Hi.
There's pig food.
You want them?
I have, like,
I think.
$1 left.
Oh my god, this chicken's just like chilling, dog. Yes, please. He's ready.
I got you, kid.
He's ready.
I'm working on it. Okay. Hi.
Well, pardon me. Sorry. Back up.
He's so cute.
He's so cute.
Are you happy now?
Yes. I'm very happy.
He's getting really close.
What's up, dude? Dude, he's just walking closer to us. You want to get on the horse? Giddy up, shorty. Yeehaw. She said, I'm about to ride that thing. Let's go.
Like the Princess Diary.
It is.
With the wooden leg.
Okay, taking a photo. 3, 2, 1, smile. Cute. Yeah, I'm taking my my little Bucky old scallywag out for a motherfucking
This video is sponsored by FarmersOnly.com.
Yes, farmers only, y'all. Make an account right now. Find the love of your life. I'm a horse girl now.
Ew.
No, what was I saying? Scallywag, like my horse from Red Dead Online.
I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, he's the default horse. So,
Scallywag.
Scallywag.
You don't get to name it? His name is Scallywag?
No, you can. I forgot what I named it. I think I named it Nene. The what?
Ready to dismount?
Yes.
Dismount. Fucking flawless.
My shorts got stuck. Here. Wait, my shorts got stuck. I was serious. Oh no. Fashion malfunction. Honestly, I have to thank Hazel for letting me borrow this selfie stick right now. But right now, okay, you guys want to see the real horses? They're over there. They're so tall. Why are you giggling?
It's like making like a thumbnail.
Okay, but look at this one. It's a mini horse. Oh my god.
Little fluffy.
It's a miniature horse.
Yeah, look at that back arch.
Whoa! Whoa! You're so cool. I hope you're having a good day, horse. I don't think I talked about this when I first started recording, but we are right now at Underwood Family Farms in California. It's right outside of LA, so for anyone who needs to get out of the city and like wants to do something, this is the recommended activity. This is probably the best day of my life right now. So far. I'm having a ball, and we're gonna go look at food to pick potentially. They let you pick like your own food that's ready for harvest and stuff. So I think that's pretty cool.
Probably all the way over there.
Yeah, we're going on a walk. Oh my god. I wish this hat would stop blowing me away, bro. We came here for tulips, but dog, I think that they have already melted. You know what I mean? for baby tulips. Sam, you're so pretty.
Stop!
Okay. No, I will not stop. VeggieTales was the shit when I was growing up, bro.
There's one song that my brother and sister would not shut up singing, and it was "God is bigger than the boogeyman." Oh my god, it pissed me off. I hate it.
VeggieTales, 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 VeggieTales. Cauliflower, sweet and sour. Half an hour. VeggieTales.
I never knew that VeggieTales was like religious.
You didn't?
No, when I was a kid, I thought it was just a bunch of vegetables talking and dancing.
About God and how much
did I know? Fucking propaganda.
No.
Praise God and to eat your vegetables.
Yeah. Let's go look for some. Right here. Look at them. I wish we had a bag.
Let me think about this.
I don't know. I thought about it, but I didn't do anything about those thoughts. I have a hat. I'm gonna put it in my hat.
Oh my god.
Put it in my hat.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna grab more pieces.
Yes, please. Look at this big old peep.
Mind your peas. What's the difference between roast beef and pizza?
What?
You can roast beef, but you can't.
You can't.
You can't? Can you?
I don't know. I think after you digest it, you can. Right? I can't see. Oh, there it is. It's a ladybug. Here, peace.
Whoa. Thank you.
They're so fat. I'm gonna eat one right now.
Do you want to eat them?
Is it? Can you eat it?
Why not? It's pea.
You're right. Yeah.
Holy shit.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. All right.
Tastes good. Do you
Like-
want some? Because I cracked. That's the one that I cracked on accident.
On accident.
Well, I tried to pick it and then it snapped.
Okay.
So,
I'll taste.
it was. I like radish.
Let's get radish.
Maybe we can find one. This guy. See how he's like
Yeah.
red? He's just so small.
We want big ones. Okay, let's look. Let's look. Those are leafy. They're big. Yeah. It looks like a butt.
It does look like a butt. I don't know if it's like big or
We should be ready. It's red.
think so.
Why not? Or you can replant it at home.
Oh my god.
They look like balls.
Balls. Oh no, sad ball. Get out of here.
This is sad.
Not you. Sorry. Next. Let go.
I found one. Samanther. Okay. I'm like yelling at my bestie, but she's over there. I found a cauliflower. Okay. It looks like this. We're gonna pluck her out of there. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea. But I'm gonna put you down right here because I heard that it's pretty hard. I got one, but I gotta pluck it out. I gotta get it. Okay, stay. But I think
I don't know if he's resting yet.
Not there anymore.
Oh, okay.
What's the
I mean, I have no idea.
I got the cauliflower. Samanther, show us today's harvest. It's a hat. It's a hat. I picked the hat from the hat tree.
No.
You picked the hat from the hat tree, dog.
You got cauliflower and then little radishes.
Yeah.
And so you got peas.
And peas. What the heck happened to my hair? Okay, apparently there's like a fruit stand or vegetable, whatever, produce stand.
These are your bags.
The thing. Yes, please. And you can actually buy some of the stuff, the produce that they have here. I'm gonna get some strawberries. Sam is separating our collections, our provisions for today.
You want a bag for your cauliflower?
Yes, please. Sam's like my babysitter. Sam babysitting right now.
I saw it on like TikTok. There was a TikTok. It was like who you are, like based off the septum jewelry that you wear. And there was a picture of this one that I have in my nose, and it said secretly the mom friend of the group.
Yeah. Shall we show off your septum? Right there. Yeah. If you have that septum piercing, it means you're the mom friend. I don't make the rules. Ooh. My hair. Okay. What is it?
Stuff like that.
At home?
You have a big house, a big yard,
That sounds like a dream.
a big garden.
Yeah.
Grow my own vegetables.
Hell yeah. Okay guys, that's it for us for the farm. We're gonna go back near Hollywood. We're gonna be hanging out with one of our besties today for dinner. So we got time to kill until we get there. Yeah. I'll see if I can stream live while I'm over there. I don't know yet. We'll figure it out. I'm not sure yet. Let's see. Had a pretty good day at the farm, so we'll figure it out. Okay, GG. Bye.